Well, it sure was a lucky day for me. 2 weeks early, it's finally come. I say finally come, I wasn't expecting it until the 3rd of April. The final missing piece, the circuit board. This is the board that operates and controls the gimbal, the camera, the sensors, front sensors and such. And they also apparently does have some form of communication to the other boards as well. So it's quite a vital piece of equipment. But look how small it is. That tiny little thing. But it's so important. Right, so now it's just a case of getting it fitted. So here is the camera on its gimbal support. Everything in place as it should be. I just need to get that onto there and connect it up. Let's get some tools out. Made myself up quite a little electronics toolkit here just for the gadgets. It seems I'm now having to expand my tools. Expand what I've already got. Wow, yes. Okay. And do you remember last time I said I need to get 2 of these because I hate having to swap them? Well, I did. The only bit I want is that. Now I can set them both up. Okay, now I have been flying it around since I did all the other repairs. Everything is working very nicely on it. As you can see, the gimbal, or rather the gimbal protector, the camera covers, all taped up so they wouldn't fall off in flight. They probably won't, they shouldn't do, but I didn't want to take any chances. Now I have got some protectors coming that goes on, you've probably seen them online and for sale, that go on and protect the gimbal in flight that you can leave on. Very useful. So I figured I've got some of them coming. When they come, they will be going in. Let's just strip all this down. Looks like it's going to break and things. Right, anyway. Hopefully it's not. Okay, next, to set that aside for a minute. There's just 3 very little screws holding this on. Holding it to the board. And the board itself has 4 screws holding it to the body of the drone. Just locating them. You need to magnetise these screwdrivers. For some reason they're not magnetised. Now we've got, before we start, this is the power lead. This one goes to there, and this one, which is a video communication cable, goes to the long strip there. So let's get this one in first. Should be reasonably easy, it's plenty open. Not like doing the gimbal. It's very difficult getting that straight in there. And then this one, turn it all around so I can get it properly. All in place there. We can come back off. Okay, now we can get that back into the drone. Keep it steady. Get these out of the way first. Open up the leads. Or the power lead. Open that up through the hole. And then bring the whole thing up. And then we can see where it's going to screw to. Some screws. And I feel quite tight as you're doing it, so you should be careful, make sure you're not over tightening anything. That's it. Okay, now let's have a look at these connectors. They want to just go straight on to these buds. They should be just straightforward. It seems that's quite easy. Pushing tunnel. Make sure I've got it in properly. Oh, that one's not. Or is it not? But that one's getting in the way there. Better. Now it should be. To there. Let's put it down. The handle without holding it. Okay, now the power lead, that's this little black and white one here, just goes into the plug at the top there. It seems to just sit the right way around anyway, so there shouldn't be any problem putting it in. Okay, I do believe that should be the gimbal back in service. What we need to do now, get it all back together again, get it powered up and see if the gimbal dances. If it does, we've got a success. Right, putting the cover back on again, GPS connector in first, fully and completely. First. So the first thing we'll do is just power it up and see if we can get the gimbal down. Whoops, a little bang in there. I think it needs calibrating. Yeah, I think the gimbal will need calibrating, but at least it's connected and it's working. What we'll do now is connect the app and just see if I can get any video link to it. Ready to go? Let's see what happens. No video. Gimbal's responding, but I'm getting no video. Question now is, did I damage the video cable? Because you can't see. So I shall have to investigate that. Maybe I need a video cable as well. Oh, well, I thought it was there, but it appears not. I would turn it off and restart it just to see if that could be a problem. But I don't think so. No camera. Okay, I shall have to check that cable out. So it's definitely no video feed still.